Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Blackview Tab S16 Pro, and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. Now let's tap on all parameters and information and find build number. Now keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and enter the system in the left part of the screen. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can enter the developer options, and here we have to find a special option which is called automatic system updates. So let's simply turn it on just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device is allowed to apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not really have to manually update your device, however, remember about restarting it from time to time so it will have a chance to download and apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.